Greetings again to another short video from OOrang.biz. And this video will discuss briefly the catalog items. When you sign in, always opens up in pending actions. Right, so we can access the catalog from the catalog link. Products catalog, and this example, this company has these particular items. You can change the view by over here if you want miscellaneous chemicals by the category. The prices will depend on the price levels that you select. Select retail prices, for example, or wholesale or whatever. That's the prices that you will see here. Okay. Now, if you tend to make a sale, first step, of course, is to create the voucher. Here, for example, let's say I want a sales invoice. Choose the account that you're selling to. Let's say I want to sell to this account. Location, that is the salesperson, or the location could be a mobile location if it's a salesperson. All right. Here you choose the actual salesperson, one who is making the sale. Sometimes it's not the same as you might have more than one salesperson in a location, for example. Right? So here you choose whether it's cash, credit, check, whatever. Let's assume it's a cash sale. Alright, so it created the voucher details for me. Now here I could add to the cart. Let's say, notice that this customer is a wholesale. So that's the prices that we will see. So assuming I want to add 2 of this item, I want to add 2 to the cart, 2 of this item. Alright, I confirm 2 times this, accept, product added to cart. Now the cart information will show here. I could add another item, for example. Let me add one of these. Add to cart. Again, confirm. I could cancel if I made a mistake. Add, accept, add it to cart. Now the cart summary, as you see, indicates the total, and it will keep adding as I add, right? Now if I want to create the invoice, for example, I'll click on the total here. It will take me to the invoice. I have to choose the invoice number. Obviously, let's say test 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Everything else we had chosen before, so it's all set. Now notice that the items that I chose are already here. The 2 items, I chose one item, 2 of the other item, as the total of my sale. Alright, I can go back to the catalog and add more items. If I'm done, I could update here sales invoice and create it. I could add an item here, assuming I don't need to see the item. I could add it from this list here. Assuming I want Pakistani rice. It shows up here. Let's say I need 1 bag. I need 1 bag. So here it gave me the total of that 1 bag. Alright, and I have a sales total of 823. Now if I go back to the catalog section, I could add more items if I want from here, or I could add them from the invoice section. Alright. Now let us identify how you can show the items. Let me go to products. In the add product section, I could filter here into the item from to a list, from, for example, A to Z, whatever. Or I could enter just one item here. I could enter category and then click on generate to narrow the list if need be. This particular list has 79 items. I could do a search here, assuming I want sugar. Narrows the list now for me, so now I only have sugar, for example. Now over here I could edit the details of this item by clicking on edit. Now here I could make some changes. First I have to click on edit. Well, this particular item was already edited, so I cannot re-edit unless I accept or not accept in the admin pending action. Alright, but let us see if we can go to pending action. And pending actions, you could see here that yes, sugar is in the pending actions list for admin to either view here. It's telling admin that there's some changes made. Alright, and admin can approve or not approve. The change in this case is it's telling you previous new. The image was uploaded. That is a change made in this case. So admin in this pending actions page could accept, for example, or decline that change made by probably another employee or admin has the opportunity to acknowledge the change or reject it. Alright. In this case I will decline. Comment, reasons for decline, maybe I would say wrong image, for example, right? Alright, so what we will let us see if we can edit now this item. So I clicked it. Now let me see, let's say edit. See, now it's allowing me to edit. Now here I could make changes. I could make changes to the item, right? I could upload the image right here. For example, let's assume I want to put, say this image, for example. So now the image is there. If I submit, now to put the currency, let's put local currency. Now submit. So it's saying pending admin approval. So it's going to go to the pending actions page for admin to review before it is accepted, right? So let's do that. Now the last thing I want to show you here is how do you flag an item to appear in the products list. First, this is a pending action. So you notice that that item is shown again as pending. The same item, sugar, that I just made some changes on, right? So let's go to add product. Let's go. Alright, here I'm going to show you how to flag an item so it appears in the catalog. Not all items will appear automatically. Here I could choose the items that I want to display in my catalog. I want to display the sugar, for example. If I want to display the salt, for example, vegetable oil. These ones will appear in my catalog section now that I had noticed the one that was already flagged. These are the ones that appeared when we went there before. See, this is all those candy items that we saw. They were already flagged here. Alright, so you flag for the catalog in this section here. Alright, let me remove these again. But and then last but not least is if you want this item to appear in your marketplace where all items, the different companies could display the products for marketing and sales through the marketplace link and be able to make sales, of course. You click on the marketplace items. When you do that, these items will appear in the marketplace that is accessible to everybody who is making purchase online from the network, right? Now the catalog will only appear in your module. Your salespeople could see that when they're making sales. So your catalog is for your internal use and for the use of your staff and sales and marketing people. The marketplace is for the item to appear in the online marketplace that is visible to everybody who is making an online purchase from the network. All right. With that, we will close this presentation. Thank you very much once again. OOrang.biz, your business processes simplified. Thank you.